pollution and its ill effects. Pollution means the contamination of the environment due to human activity. It is one the scourges today, causing great damage to human, plant, and animal life, even leading to death. The chief kinds of pollution are land pollution, water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, and radioactive pollution. Land pollution means the dirtying and destruction of the land. Valuable forests are dwindling due to haphazard exploitation of the land, industrialization, and greater demands of overpopulation. Overgrazing and agriculture mean clearing of forests, mining to destroy forest cover and hill slopes. Land pollution causes soil erosion, which leads to barrenness, floods, and even deserts. Deforestation affects the ecological balance and leads to irreversible climatic changes, including less rainfall. Apart from the shortage of wood, species of animal life become extinct as they are rendered homeless. Air pollution is the contamination of our atmosphere due to the presence of gases and pollutants from factories and vehicles and burning of fossil fuels. It can destroy the ozone layer, which absorbs the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. This happens due to the CFCs, means chlorofluorocarbons, from fridges and aerosol cans. Depletion of the ozone layer leads to global warming or the greenhouse effects. The consequences are damage to plants, skin cancer, and allergies in humans, melting of polar ice caps, and a barren earth. Acid rain, a manifestation of air pollution, destroys crops and trees, affects marine life, damages buildings, and causes lung diseases. Sulfur dioxide reacts with water vapor to form sulfuric acid in the presence of sunlight and falls as acid rain. Water pollution is caused by urban refuse, chemical wastes from factories, and dead bodies. Oil spills create a film on the water and kill aquatic life. Unhygienic habits, also dirty rivers, chemical pesticides like DDT are washed by rain into rivers. Nuclear power plants release radioactive wastes, resulting in thermal pollution, which destroys aquatic life. Water pollution causes waterborne diseases, skin ailments, and mercury and lead poisoning in fish and then humans. Factory wastes cause changes in the water and loss of oxygen. So, no form of life, be it fish, plankton, or plants, can survive. Radioactive pollution from wastes of hospitals, laboratories, and nuclear plants cause irreparable damage. Noise pollution is due to the noise from vehicles, factories, home appliances, and loudspeakers. It affects our sleep, heartbeat, kidney, and gastric functions. It leads to dilation of pupils and nervous disorders.